Hey guys, so today I'm making some pancakes, but this is not a tutorial. So I'll sift some flour first, and then here are my dry ingredients, and then I'll add some baking powder, and then sift it, and then here's a yolk. So I'll mix my milk and egg in together to make it my four ingredients, and then whisk it, and then I'll mix the dried ingredients with the wet ones. Just pour it in little by little. There we go. And then I'll add some powdered sugar in. And at one point, my whisk just gave up on me. There it goes. So now I will clean up this whole mess I've made. Beautiful. And so now I will start the cooking. So I have a habit of whisking the batter every 2 minutes. I don't know why. And I'll take out a pan. Yep, there it is. And I'll turn on the heat on medium. And then I'll lightly grease up the pan and slowly add the batter in the center of the pan. And then we wait a bit and then we flip it. I don't know what I did here, but it's still a mini pancake. And then I'm gonna repeat the process until the desired amount of pancakes. This one was like kind of undercooked. And there we go.
That's how you make perfect fluffy pancakes.